Hello, Atlanta Systems Management User Group for System Center Universe 2012. Thank you for watching this brief presentation on DeployXpert by Altrinsic Solutions. The DX solution was invented by deployment administrators for deployment administrators, delivering full image deployment automation, saving organizations time and money. DX is an inexpensive native plugin to the SCCM environment and typically delivers full return on investment in as little as 90 days of purchase. What if imaging was made simple? Even though imaging has been around for over 20 years, the art of establishing a single standardized image has historically proven to be diverse and complicated. What if software made all systems, regardless of make and model, effectively the same? Conceptually, the image standardization idea sounds simple. Establish one Windows standardized image, deploy it to all existing systems, making all desktops and laptops identical. Simple concept, but difficult to achieve. Why is effective imaging so difficult? The challenge is that all OEM vendors offer a buffet of options and customization points that ensures that, even within a single make and model group, systems are not created equal under the hood. Upgrade options like biometric security devices, advanced video and sound cards, and various other devices create OS deployment complexities that must be addressed to ensure zero-touch deployment success. A computer is really a collection of unique parts, including chipset, devices, utilities, and software. DX manages a computer not as a simplistic make and model, but as a collection of unique parts. These parts need to be respected and addressed throughout the image deployment and maintenance process. This is what makes the DX solution unique from all other deployment solutions, and it's what makes it so powerful. DX extends the SCCM hardware inventory for every system enterprise-wide. This deep under-the-hood analysis is then leveraged to ensure that at the time of deployment, each system receives a custom resource package that includes the drivers and specific hardware applications that each system needs. Historically, administrators have relied on computers' make and model as a means to generally determine what drivers and hardware-specific application a system needs. However, without the benefit of under-the-hood analysis, the administrator's best efforts to manually research, build, and maintain driver packages is too labor-intensive to ensure that the complexities that exist in today's systems are managed effectively. Missing or inaccurate driver resources often go undetected and result in resource gaps that render some devices inoperable. The consequence is that the image deployment process ships these undetected resource gaps throughout your enterprise. The results end up being hit and miss. Some systems are well supported and others not so much. The cost burden and employee production impact of remediating these incomplete deployments is significant. Take the example as simple as a missing sound card driver. This user has no sound. So what happens next? Maybe it becomes a problem for the help desk technician. Maybe that user takes matters into their own hands and searches the internet for a sound driver. Either way, resource gaps are a problem and somebody spends company time and money to deal with them. The best place to solve resource gaps is to eliminate them in your OS deployment process. If resource gaps are handled in the image process prior to deployment, your team members do not have to fix potentially hundreds of errors on end-user desktops. Without DX, deployment administrators are forced to become the human glue holding more manual deployment strategies together and simply cannot dedicate the time to identify and fill these resource gaps. Image standardization is a fundamental best practice of systems management. It's time to consider a software solution that has the capability to completely automate your deployment process. We encourage you to check out DeployXpert, the fundamentally better way to effective, efficient OS deployment in your organization. Live demonstrations and free trial software are available at www.altrinsicSolutions.com. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.